Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joe, and in today's video I'm actually gonna be changing these taillights for some LED smoke taillights from Fiery Red. So they sent me those lights. They look really good. I have them in there. So let's get started. Let's show you guys what I got, and it's a pretty easy install. All right, here we go. So, coming in this box, taillights, they look really good. I like this side marker. Looks like carbon fiber. It's a glass. Looks pretty good. The front, really clean, guys. Look at this. Details are pretty amazing. This one I haven't unwrapped it yet. And then back here, so these are pretty much plug and play. All you have to do is just remove your taillights and plug these in, and they come in with this little package, these brackets. Looking at the holes, I believe this bracket is probably to mount this one somewhere. I have to take a look to see where that one goes, but I'm pretty positive it's for this one because these might get a little warm. Probably keep it out of the way. Alright, so let me show you guys how to remove the taillights and install these new ones. It's pretty simple, and you actually have that little tool that comes with the Jeep. You can use that to remove your taillights, so it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, here in the back of the Jeep. Sorry about the mess. We're doing a lot of recoveries lately, so I have stuff all over the place. So you come here, you have this little cover right here. You have to pop it open. Probably need like a little let me grab a little knife or something to get it underneath right here and pop it open. All right, here we go. I have my little knife. Try to pop it up. There it is. Pop right out, and then right in there, you see that little one right there? That's where actually the tool goes in, and you unscrew it and you'll have your taillight free. So right here in your Jeep tools, this kit that comes with it, I believe it's the other little one. Put this one back in, and yeah, here we go. So here I have this, goes in there. And this one's actually connected to the light. Alright, so let me take this one out. Be right back. So when you unscrew this all the way, this will come out. Don't lose this. You need it again. Put it up here. Come back here, and this light should pop right out. There it is. So this whole light is out. All right, so that's what you have right here. You push, so this one be pushed in. There's this red tab out, and then you push on this black one right here, and you pull it out. Let me show you guys. So here, push on the black. After pushing this all the way back, and this should come right out. There it is. Now you have your old taillight out. Alright, so what I did right here, I zip tied this one a little far back, and I kept these two little wires a little long so this piece doesn't really touch this, just in case it gets hot. I believe you can still find a way for the other bracket somewhere on the side, maybe on top, but I can't figure that one out. All right, so after you connect the wires, you have to remove this piece right here from the old light and install it on the new one, so you can get that screw through this to hold it up. So that's the old light. I'm gonna go ahead to remove this. Looks like 1, 2, 3 little screws, and should be able to move it to that one. Let's get this one. So after taking this piece off the old light, this one, as you guys can see here on the new light, you have 1 here, hole 2 and 3. This actually goes in one way. Just goes right on top right here, and just screw all 3 and put everything back in. Let me get those screws in, bring you guys back. Alright, so after you have this piece bolted to the screwed to the back of the tail lights, all you have to do is put them back in. You can see you have here 2 little tabs, one here, and that little lip right there. So that's how it goes in. Just line up everything, and normally get this side in first, and then these will align and push it in. Make sure, there it goes. Everything looks nice and flush. Now you bring this little guy and you screw it back in from here. So let me get this started. All right, after screwing this one all the way in, and make sure you don't over tie this one, just snug, because these are plastic, you don't want to break them. So then put this piece back in place. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Looks really clean versus that. All right, let's turn the lights on, see the difference. Oh yeah, that looks amazing, guys. The side markers right here, that looks so clean compared to that one. So this is the old halogen factory versus this one. Wow, super bright as well, looks sick. Now let's try the turn signal. This is the turn signal, and the middle one is the reverse light right here. Man, that looks so clean. Look at that, so much better. Super easy to install, guys. Everyone can do it. Takes you maybe 20, 30 minutes at the most. And there you have it. Both sides are done. They look super clean, very crisp LED. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. That's it for this video. If you guys like them, I'll leave you guys a link in the description if you want to buy them. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time.